Hi children, a very happy morning. Today I am going to take you an interesting lesson, Yuki and Tsunami. Yuki is a young boy in Japan. This is a play. This play is set in Japan. I am going to say some important facts about Japan. Japan is called the land of the rising sun. It is made up of 6,852 islands. The well-known Japanese companies are Toyota, Toshiba, Canon, Panasonic, etc. It is a birthplace for several martial arts like karate, judo, etc. Shall we move on to the lesson, children? This chapter is about a boy, Yuki, who saves life of all villagers with his planning. The village people in Japan are getting ready to celebrate a good rice harvest festival tonight, but Mother Nature has other plans in store for them. The characters involved in this play are Yuki, a young Japanese boy, Yuki's father, Yuki's mother, first villager, second villager, and village boy. His parents are carrying paper lanterns, baskets of food, flowers, and other kinds of decoration things for the celebration. Yuki wants to put a garland of silk flowers to the tree, but he couldn't reach the tree, so he asked his father to help him. Yuki's father helped him by putting the garland on the tree. See the picture, children. And he said, "The flowers are very pretty. Our friends and neighbors will see them tonight." Yuki asks his father to tell him about his grandpa. Father says, "Everyone in our village remembers our grandfather because he was the one who taught us how to grow rice crops. Everyone in our village respects and remembers your grandfather because he was so smart." The villagers are walking towards the stage in small groups to decorate the village. Mom asks Yuki and his father to start the work as soon as possible for the great celebration. Yuki's father says that Yuki and I were just talking about grandfather. Mother replies that we all miss grandpa and we should remember him every day by doing things he taught us. Okay, let us start the work immediately. Mother asks Yuki to take the fruit basket to the sea and wash them clean and dry by the time she returns. Yuki's father goes to help his wife for the celebration. Suddenly, Yuki feels the earth shake under his feet. The earth moves again. The villagers drop whatever they are carrying. They are trying to keep their balance. Then they start laughing. The first villager asks the second villager, "Are you losing your balance there?" Children, why he is asking like that? Because he felt the earthquake there. For that, the second villager replies, "No way, I have the sure-footedness of a mountain goat," which means he has an excellent balance of a mountain goat. Look at that picture. How the mountain goat is balancing on the mountain. What a beautiful sight. Yuki seriously told the villagers that the earth moved under his feet. He thought it was an earthquake. For that, the second villager says, "What makes you think we are going to have one now?" The second villager says, "What makes you think we are going to have one now?" Then the first villager also says, "Yuki, You don't know how to have fun. You don't know how to have fun. Always working just like your grandfather. Always you are working just like your grandfather. All the villagers picked up their dropped things and started doing their works. Then Yuki shouts loudly and asks the people to wait. Then he puts up his one hand to shade his eyes, and with the other hand he points the villager. See the picture, how he is putting his hands. Wait, wait. See, the houses below are moving. The sea has turned black. Now it looks like the sea is running backwards away from our village. Now I remember what grandfather had said. The sea would turn black and run away from the shore just before a tsunami. Now we are going to see what is a tsunami. A tsunami is a large ocean wave usually caused by an underwater earthquake or a volcanic explosion. Understood? A tsunami is a large ocean wave usually caused by an underwater earthquake or a volcanic explosion. All the villagers walked towards Yuki, and the first villager said he had never seen anything like this before. Look how far the ocean has pulled back. We can see only the parts of the beach that we never saw before. Then the second villager wanted to go to the beach to collect all the beautiful shells. Children, would you like to go to beach? Have you seen a beach, children? Are you interested in going to beach? Yes. Yuki says, wait everyone, come back. There is terrible danger. My grandfather told me that this is just what happens before a tsunami. But nobody listened his words except the village boy. In order to divert the villagers, he got an idea. Let's see what was the idea. He takes a log of wood from the fire in front of his house and pretends to set the rice stacks on fire. This was noticed by the village boy. Do you know what is rice stacks? See the picture. Rice stacks means large piles of rice crops. Rice stacks means what? Large piles of rice crops. You see in the picture. See the rice stacks. Then Yuki touches the burning log to the rice crop in several places. Then he ran away. Then Yuki shouted, "Fire! Fire! Everyone run to the mountain! Quick! Quick!" Then Yuki shouted, "Fire! Fire! Everyone run to the mountain! Quick! Quick!" So all the villagers came to the top of the mountain, including Yuki and his parents. Everyone looks angry and upset. Why? Because they had run a long distance in the hot sun. The village boy said to the rest of the villagers that I saw Yuki set fire to the rice crop purposely. Now the villagers realized that what grandfather had described about a tsunami has come true. Yuki said that he was very sorry, and I burned the rice stacks to find a way to get everyone to the top of the mountain. Then Yuki's father said that, Yuki, you saved us all. Tonight we were all going to celebrate our rice harvest. For that, mother says, now we will celebrate that all of us are still alive. All the other villagers cheer and congratulate Yuki and bow to him and his parents. Children, go through the lesson, read 1 or 2 times and find the hard words meanings by using a dictionary. Thank you.